This is what happens when drinking beer starts to taste like doing a burnout. So we decided we're already loaded up for the burnout comp tomorrow, but we wanted to do a burnout. So Jordan's gonna do a quick 2 or 3 second burnout just for the shits and giggles. So whenever you're ready, buddy. Wait, hold on. We got straps touching the tires. 4 seconds, brother, 4 seconds. No. 4 seconds. Oh, there you go. There's your quick 4 second burnout. Well, we have made it out here to a local track to us. They're doing a burnout contest tonight. We're gonna see if we can't win some money. They have a $2,000 first place prize, so we'll see how this goes. Right now we're just hanging out at the pits.
Gotta go down here and watch some diesels, I guess. They're having a big diesel race.
Yeah, it's a big old truck race, but they also had a burnout contest, so figured we'd try it out. Figured the worst happens, we're only an hour away from home, so we just come out here and do a burnout and have fun.
Enjoy the show.
I'm gonna guess 5:35.
5:35?
I don't know, actually. I'm gonna go with, 5:35.
I'm gonna say 6.
5:35 and 1:35.
So what did I say?
That's a little too generous.
I said 6.
You said a 6.
So I don't know who's closer here. I guess, I don't know if that's me. Yeah, me, right? Yeah.
No, you went over, so technically it was me.
Yeah, but we're, oh hell.
Actually, would I have been considered going over, or would you have been considered going over?
I mean,
he ran faster than what I thought he was going to. So
but you gotta round it to the nearest.
I mean, if we're doing it like that, yeah, but it's also like if you're playing with the rules of if you go over, then you're out.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Let's see what this guy's got.
Let's see what this turbo does. Well, time to stage up. We're getting ready to do a burnout. Let's see how this goes. We don't even have anybody to hold the phone, so hopefully we can find somebody when we get down there. Turn on our lights, can't forget about those. Always got to remember to do that 2-step check. Running pretty healthy. Proper if Jordan wasn't listening to music while waiting in the burnout line.
Classic rock, of course.
Yeah, it's got to be classic rock.
Oh yeah.
Either that or some good old country music. You got to have something to get you pumped up though.
See, over here where we're from, you know, we got this channel called 99.7, The Fox, you know, and they're playing all the good
Fox.
stuff. We'll give them a shout out right now.
Hell yeah.
Out of Charlotte, I believe. But
somewhere like that. But
yeah.
We're all set up, got the car in line, got the truck in line. Everything's looking good so far, so we're just gonna hang out and wait. We haven't really recorded much today, so I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I guess we'll start now.
Should we give, well, I was about to say, should we give it a rev? Then I was like,
let it warm up a little bit more.
Oh, it's warm.
Frick. Give it a rev.
Oh, let me put some next flames.
Alright.
Okay.
Yep. It didn't make any flames, but it sure as hell shot.
Frick. Frick.
Popped and crackled, didn't it?
That too. So far, there ain't looking like too much of a competition. There might be about, what, you say like 7 or 8 of us here?
Yeah, maybe. We'll count. We'll go down the line.
Yeah, we'll go down the line. So far, we got this guy. He's been doing some runs down the drag strip already. Then next, we got a guy that was at Gleason Cars with us in Bristol. Not really sure what it is, just some sort of Jeep. And then we got a Ranger. Ranger Danger, baby.
Got 2 Rangers.
2 Rangers. One of them's got a
Frick.
4-cylinder, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, he's got a 4-cylinder with a turbo. Yep. And then we got
Them things will surprise you, man.
we got some sort of Duramax here, so that'll be cool to see. Maybe he'll put out some black smoke. And then we got me. And we got Jordan. And we got somebody else down there. I think they've also been to Cleeson Cars, but I'm not sure. He's in a Silverado, and I think it's got a Terpsky on it.
Yeah, I think they got a YouTube channel. Let's see.
He's got nitrous on it.
Oh, heck yeah. Yeah, he does have nitrous on it. Stacks.
And then we got a Jeep.
Yeah, Rev Tap Industries, YouTube.
Yep. Yeah, these guys go to Cleeson Cars.
We'll have to check them out for sure. My fender flare's solid again.
He's got it back on there.
Yeah.
Zip ties.
Yep. It only took about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 8 zip ties. But she
Zip
is
ties
on.
and thunder thighs, baby.
Heck yeah. I should have double zip tied if I was smart.
It'll be all right. The whole point of it's to rip off and put on a show, so.
That's true. Yeah, so I didn't even hit a wall. I crushed in all this.
That's been kind of
Crushed
messed
in
up.
this.
Literally since the first tour of destruction, that's been screwed up from the LT tire.
Blew the fender flare off.
I'd say that was crushed from that LT tire.
Yeah. Ripped the taillight out. I don't know how in the hell that happened, but it did.
Couldn't even tell
But
you.
I hammered it back in with my good old hammer here. She's been staying ever since. She
Hammer
drove home,
fist.
So.
Yep. Honestly, the only time this truck's ever taken damage was just from tour destruction.
Yeah.
Because it didn't have any
honestly.
damage at Bristol, so.
No.
That's ought to be good. I'm really hoping they let us go down the track, but at the same time, I kind of just want to sit still.
Yeah, so one guy just told me earlier, he said they were doing it on the track this time. I know a couple other guys were saying they had like a whole slide box right here.
Let's say you can see a bunch of doing that work right up here. I
But
was kind of hoping they would do that again, because that's our style. We like to do donuts
yeah.
and stuff.
But they definitely have to move these cars because I'd probably hit one.
Well, with the way I like to hit
Yeah.
barriers,
And
I'd be hitting somebody's car over
You got
here.
experience. Me, I'm just like, nah, I probably would do it.
I got experience smacking walls, so.
There's no buildings out here, so I think I'm in the clear. You know?
That's an inside joke.
Yep.
I guess we'll have to see if we hit anything. We might still hit a concrete barrier, you never know.
Yeah, you never
Might
know.
slide sideways into it.
Hopefully not.
Well, we about to go up for the rowdy burnout. Hell yeah! We don't need that! We gotta insert the thing. Y'all ready? Alright, it's time for Jordan to go.
Blow that motherfucker off!
Let's go, buddy.
210. Right at 210. I took a video. Hell yeah.
Well, I guess we're going to have to pull up to the pits, dude. Well, we didn't end up winning. Sadly, I think Jordan did one of the better burnouts, and sadly the Vic never went into second gear, so we kind of did a slow first gear, 70 mile per hour burnout. It wasn't as cool as it could have been. Jordan, you don't have to worry about that, dude. Oh, you're getting, I have another bar back there in the truck. But
I think it's a 16.
But either way, we still had a good night. Still a lot of fun. I guess we're gonna have to try and figure out why the Vic's not shifting gears now. I'm imagining it's because we're low on training fluids. So we're just gonna have to find out when we get home. But either way, we had a blast. So we hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's probably not too long of a video, but thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.